So students, complete these sentences with a, an or the. Now we will complete these exercise by using a, an or the. My uncle gave me dash book. Single book. B is a consonant, so we will use a. Here we don't know the particular name of the book, so we are not going to use the. We only use a. There was dash orange. Orange. O is a vowel, so we will use an orange. There was an orange in the basket. Dash sky is blue. अब now the sky के जैसा कोई और तो नहीं है. It is a particular, it's a special thing, so we will use the. The sky is blue. I saw dash large house on my way. We are talking about house, so that means अब house के जैसा और भी बहुत कुछ है. तो we have just seen a large house because we are talking about a single house. तो I saw a large house. She needs dash eraser. Eraser बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. So she needs an eraser. Why do we use an? Because E is a vowel. Now, page number 20. Please give me a pencil. Please give me a pencil. Dash owl sat on dash branch of dash mango tree. Owl. An owl, because O is a vowel. An owl sat on a branch of the mango tree. The, why did we use the? Because mango is a special name for a tree. So the mango tree. Show me the blue dress. We are talking about a particular dress. Which dress? Particular blue dress. So we will use the. I want to have an ice cream. मुझे क्या लेना है? Ice cream. But we are not talking about the particular name of the ice cream. We are just talking about ice cream. Now dash sun rises in dash east. Now we are talking about sun. तो sun के जैसा कोई और तो नहीं है. तो sun is the special, particular. तो we will use the. The sun rises in the east because east is a direction. ईस्ट के जैसा कुछ और नहीं है. तो ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ, दीज फोर आर द डायरेक्शंस. तो ईस्ट इज द पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ अ डायरेक्शन. तो वी विल यूज द. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ choose the right options according to the pictures. Just see the picture. Which picture is this? Moon. The moon is in the shape of round. So just take the round option. The chessboard. See the chessboard? The chessboard is round or a square? It is a square. Now, the tabletop. Just see the tabletop. Tabletop is round or oval shape? It's an oval shape. So, tick oval shape. Clear? Now, name one thing that is shaped like this. Now, they have given the names of the shapes. We are given the names of the shapes. हमें names दिए गए हैं shapes के, and we have to write down anything which is related to this shape. किसी भी shape से related हमें किसी भी चीज़ का नाम लिखना है. जैसे round. Round shape में कौन सी चीज़ होती है? Sun. Very good. Sun. Square. Square shape में कौन सी चीज़ होगी? Very good. Carom board. Carom board. Now the third is oval. Oval shape में which thing is there? An egg. Very good. Triangle shape. Triangle shape में it can be a pizza or sandwich. Clear everybody? So we are done with these exercises. You can also write down your own examples in these shapes.